Hello everyone. Next we are going to show you how we can make a giraffe organizer. For this you require the mustard, or we can say yellow color sheet of the paper, orange sheet as well, some of the markers, glue stick. You may also require some empty toilet paper rolls, or you can just make use of any other thing that's somewhat circular, or we can say cone shaped. Then you just have to fix them together as shown on your screens. It looks so perfect. Let's next try to make a honeybee out of the disposable plate that's yellowish in color. You may require some other accessories, like you are going to make the antennae and the eyes of this honeybee and the wings as well. This is very simple and very less time consuming. Again, with the help of the disposable plate, you just have to cut it down at the center, and we are going to show you how we can make a duck. This activity is again very simple, best suitable for the small kids. Just give it a try. We will now focus to our another project. And here we are going to show you how we can make a turtle. This activity is again very simple. You may again require disposable plate for this one, but that too should be in green color. Thank you for watching our videos.